You've already proven you can earn money at the professional level. Now it's time to manage it at that same standard. If you're a high performing Filipino professional, whether in the Philippines or abroad, and you want a more intentional, structured way to handle your finances, this channel is for you. Most of the people here are ambitious, busy, and discerning. They've worked hard to build something meaningful. Now they want to maximize it without the hype, the confusion, or the pressure to buy a product. On this channel, you'll learn practical, high leverage steps you can apply right away. We'll discuss small shifts you can make that will create clarity fast and build momentum without adding complexity. No fluff, no gimmicks, just professional grade money clarity and execution backed by over a decade of financial planning experience, so your financial decisions finally match the level of your career. So, if you're ready to manage your finances with the same excellence you bring to your work, we'd love for you to subscribe and join us here at Beacon Wealth PH.